Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can change resume in Indeed. So what you want to do is just be in your Indeed. Now when you're going to be here, go to the right top corner, click profile, and in profile you just want to click here, upload and replace resume, and you just upload it and you can like replace your resume. And that's pretty much it, how you do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. But this is pretty much it, so how you do it. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.